Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. And so I'm back out here at the park again. And today is Throwback Thursday, y'all. And so I'm out here with another one of my quads. This time I have one out that I had out here before because I had a little issue with one of the props coming off and cutting the flight short. Wasn't the stock props anyhow, and so now I brought this guy back out. This is the CX-30, and this time I have some different props on there, rolling spider props. And these props are still rather large compared to the stock props, because the stock props are regular size props, maybe the size props that would come on, say, the RC JJ1000. If you guys are familiar with that quad, then you know that these are a little larger. These are 65mm props, and so still an upgrade from the stock props. And I just wanted to give you guys another look at this guy with these props, and hopefully we'll be able to get some flips out and everything. I did charge this battery up. This battery doesn't even come out of this battery bay. It's stuck in there. I probably can get it out if I really tried, but it's for the most part stuffed in there, and it still works. So I just keep it in there, and it works pretty well with this quad. A nice size battery for it. Can't really remember the exact size of it, but from the looks of it, it looks like it's about 500 milliamp hour pack, 1S of course. But let's get this guy up in the air. Throwback Thursday. I really want to do a night flight with this guy because it lights up awesome. Check it out. Still has a lot of get up with these props. Check it out. Okay, yeah, let's do a flip. Here we go. Really fast, snappy flips. I think it actually flies better with these props than it does with the oversized props. Really awesome flyer. Probably the best size prop for this. I think the stock props are okay, but they're a little underpowered. We got a bird coming after me again. So this thing has woken up. Oh, and I lost the prop. I guess this thing is plagued with that issue. Prop keeps coming off of it. Sheesh. Oh man, and it might have cracked the frame a little from that little crash. I didn't even think I crashed that hard, but a prop did fly off of this thing. I heard it zing off of it, like finding a needle in a haystack out here. So again, we're faced with the same issue again. Flight cut short. I guess it's just meant for you guys to see what you saw of this thing. Throwback Thursday, the CX-30. Thanks for watching.